Okay, that's a neutral position, and propeller spins freely. And this is a reverse. This is in reverse position, and it's pretty solid in both directions, doesn't skip. Let's go into forward. And that's a forward position. And it kind of skips. Sort of locks, but it still skips a little. That's neutral position right there. I'm going to shift into forward right now. More forward. Full throttle right there. Coming back to that's just still in forward gear, but the lowest forward, and then back to neutral. Now we're going to go to reverse right now. Full reverse, and back to the regular reverse, slowest reverse, and back to neutral. Right there's neutral. And what I'm having a problem with is the first forward right here. But when I shift into that gear, let's see how the propeller spins. That's the skipping I'm hearing. Okay, all the way reverse. Solid. Neutral position. Free spin. Forward. Clicking. Slightly more forward. Oh, can't seem to lock. Oh, there we go. See that? Slightly more forward. That's the spot. So it needs to get to that position. I loosened this nut right here, and I turned this clockwise 5 full turns to get it to be more that way. Hopefully it doesn't screw up the reverse. Okay, I fucked up the reverse, so I had to turn it back 1 full turn counterclockwise. So I'm right now currently 4 full turns clockwise from where I started. Okay, here's what I settled on. I went 3.5 full turns with this clockwise going that direction, and it seems to be a pretty good balance. So I'm going to see how that works with me. That's 3.5 turns from the original position. Okay, here's what I rigged up. I got it 3.5 turns that direction where I want it, and it seems to work in forward and reverse. And I put this little 80-pound test, just 80-pound test braid line attached to the part where the cotter pin goes in, so that I can then I fed it through this little rubber gasket here. And I'm going to put like a little plastic handle on it here. So that way, if I ever need to just push it just a little bit more that way, I can reach in. If I'm stranded or something and it starts to skip, I can give it a tug this way, and hopefully that will, if I'm reading this whole process right, that will give it that extra little to engage the prop so it doesn't skip. Because it seems like when it skips, it just needs to be this lever just needs to be just slightly more forward in that direction. Okay, that's like a safety measure, and I think that will fit within my cowling and everything, so I don't have to take off both the middle section and the top section in order to access this, because I can't access this while I'm on the water.